Hi, in today's video we want to see how we can create this layout from the left using LibreOffice. So we will see two methods of doing that, different methods, but with similar results. Let's create a new document. Let's have all the styles. Let's write my project. Okay, it's a heading 1. We have some text. Let's justify. We have similar text. Now we want oranges like before. But if I'm writing some text, if I write something like that, I will have, you can see oranges and the text, it's one below another and it's not like left and right. So how we can create that layout? Let's use Marginalia style. So let's search for Marginalia. Let's create a new style from here to have our own styles. Marginalia 1. And let's make some changes. I want the text to be before text. I don't want any centimeter here, so 0. But after that, I want everything except 4 centimeters. So let's choose, for example, 12. Let's see. Something like that. Let's use more, 14. Let's click and let's apply Marginalia 1. To this one. Let's have a border in the bottom to see what we are doing. So we have something similar. Let's choose another color. Let's change the font color. So it's very similar to this one. Now let's create a new style for the paragraph. So a new style named paragraph. And here let's have before text. We don't want 5 centimeters. So empty, you can see here in the preview, empty 5 centimeters. And let's choose this line spacing here, and above paragraph a small value. Let's apply. Let's go to custom styles. So we have Marginalia and paragraph. Now let's say LibreOffice that after each Marginalia style we want a paragraph style. So after each Marginalia we want a paragraph. Okay, so automatic. For example, if I remove that and I press enter and write some text, I have the paragraph style. You can see here in the top. Let's write apples. Apples. I want to be a Marginalia on the left. Let's press enter. And now let's see something else. If I'm writing pears and I choose Marginalia and press enter, we can see pears is on one page and the text is on another page. What we can do? We can tell Marginalia style to keep with the next style. So edit Marginalia, text flow, keep with the next paragraph. So this way pears will be together with the text. One thing we need to do to be similar with this one, the paragraph to be justified. So alignment, justify, and we can see we have the same layout as on the left. What we can do, of course, we can play with that. For example, if I want this text here, but I don't want to lose so much space here, I can change the paragraph to be, for example, I can have 2 centimeters value here. So I have these oranges, apples and pears subtitle, but also I don't lose so much text. But of course we can keep it like before or even more to have a space here between subjects and the text about them. Let's see another design. Let's remove this one, because you can see here we lose this space. It's an empty space on each subject. Peers, I have this lost space and so on. How we can not losing it? Let's see how not losing this space. So let's remove peers and so on. So I have just the text. We can insert a table. We don't want, let's see in the preview, we don't want to see the table, so right click, table properties, and no border is just for layout. If you don't see the border for the table, you can activate, you can see from here, view boundaries. So now here I have oranges like before. I choose Marginalia, but I need to edit a little bit. I don't want 40 centimeters. Let's choose 0 for this one, or let's choose 2 centimeters because we need a little bit space between these and the text. So after I want 2 centimeters, so I have 2 centimeters between this line and the text here. So here will be the text about oranges. I want to be a paragraph. Let's add it. The same, I don't want 6, I want 0 here, or maybe 1, but let's keep it 0. So now if I want to make apples, I just copy all the table, press an enter to have a space between the two tables, and again, and I can change here apples, and I have maybe another text about apples. Let's suppose this is a text about apples, and here about pears. And you can see the text is going together, pears, because it's in the same table. So this way we don't lose this space here. So like before, we use this space. So the text is on the same line, oranges with this text is on the same line. Here is not. Here the line is empty, and this is like another paragraph on another lines. So this is the difference using tables or using Marginalia style or any other style we want. It's not necessary to use Marginalia. You can create any other text with any other name, but what it is important, it's important to have the text. You can see here the indent. It's important to be a number here to keep it the distance from the right margin, and for this one it's important to have the before text in indent a big number, so we can have this space to create this layout. So this is what I wanted to show you in this video. Let's preview. Okay, so we can see I have a similar layout but without losing space here. Of course, you can remove lines. For example, you can create instead of border, you can use for example an area, and here you can use an image. If you like something like that, let's preview. Okay, so you can play with these as you need in order to create your own style. So with borders, without borders, you can increase the padding, you can change the area to be a gradient, a pattern, and so on. Even an image with something. Let's preview. Okay, so you can use this layout for your project, and you have seen two ways: using tables and using Marginalia style. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more video. Thank you.